Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwah from Mumbai. As I promised you that I'll cover part 2 today. So in this session we'll continue further 2 questions with 4 parts each. So section A we have already covered in part 1. Let us start with section B. So here we are doing topics in the form of sums. It's not like we are doing only sums, we are doing the topic or the chapter. So with the help of these sums, I am trying to give you the gist of the topic as well. See this first question from probability. A fair dice is rolled once. So your sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And getting number less than 5. So getting number less than 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. So your correct answer will be 4 upon 6, where you may not get marks. So you have to simplify it and write 2 upon 3. So here you will not get marks, you will get there. 2 upon 3 is the correct answer. It should be in simplified form. Getting prime number. So when you do prime number, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So you have to be careful. 2, 3, 5. So there are 3 prime numbers. So the correct answer is 3 upon 6. Where again you have to write 1 upon 2. If you write 3 upon 6, you may lose 1 mark. So the correct answer is 1 upon 2. When we come for this B part, in this B part, you can take LCM. When you take LCM, sin A cos A or cos A sin A, whatever, is the same thing. So when you take LCM, cos A sin A, it will go in cross. So sin A square A plus cos A square A, and which is 1. You can write the regions. Please make habit of writing regions, especially in trigonometry and circle. So it will come 1 upon cos A sin A, and then you can separate them. So 1 upon cos A into 1 upon sin A, which is your right hand side. Sec A into cosec A. Now when we come for third part, I hope you are following, I am not going fast. 1 upon cos A sin A means 1 upon cos A into 1 upon sin A, and then you can separate them. So don't stick, please don't skip any step. You never know in ICSE which step is important. So write all the steps, whether it's 3 marks or 2 marks. It doesn't take much time. When we come for this C part, find the equation of a line. For equation of line, you need some slope and point. So 2 points are given, the coordinate of point are given, and you have to find the slope. They said equation perpendicular to this line, so you can find slope of this line. So y equal to, it will be 3 upon 2x plus 4 upon 2. I am not bothered for this, I need only slope. So when your slope of line is 3 upon 2, so perpendicular will be minus 2 upon 3, reciprocal. You know m1 into m2 is minus 1. So that reason you can give, and you can find that slope of the perpendicular line will be negative reciprocal. Since your slope is coming here, m1 is coming 3 upon 2, so your m2 will be minus 2 upon 3, negative reciprocal. Now you can write the equation. Your equation formula is y minus y1 is mx minus x1. I am trying to just revive the topic, and then you can write easily y and x. So this is your x and this is your y. So substitute x1 and y1. These are the points. x1 and y1 are the points. X and y are always unknown. Please remember. In the equation, x and y are always unknown. So you can write y minus y1 means minus 1. M is your minus 2 upon 3. because it was perpendicular x minus x1 is 2. So when you simplify, you will get, you can multiply by 3, 3y minus 3 equal to minus 2x plus 4. And when you simplify, you will get 2x plus 3y equal to 7. So this is your answer. So here your answer is 2x plus 3y is 1. Their answers are 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. So I am highlighting, and here answer is given. Your right hand side is only answer. Okay, let us move further. 2x plus 3y is 7 is the correct answer. Let us move further. Here they are asking mean. Find the mean. No, the mean of data is given 16, and you have to find this unknown frequency. Now here you need table kind of thing, so you can just add this data because it is already given, so you can find f into x. One more column you can dictate, you can have standing line, and then you can add them. So here f into x means 15, it will be 70, this will be 15f, and this will be 180, and this will be 150, and then you can add them. So when you add, this is your sigma f and this is your sigma fx. Now mean formula is sigma fx upon sigma f. Now here your sigma f is 25 plus f. You can add 10 and 15, 25, so 25 plus f is your this value. Okay, so sigma f is 25 plus f, 25 plus f is your sigma f, and when you add them, so here you got 15f, so it will be added and you can add these numbers. So when you add these numbers, it comes 415 plus 15f. Now you can solve. So sigma mean is given 16, mean is given 16, so you can write 16 equal to sigma fx is 415 plus 15f upon 25 plus f. You can do cross multiplication, so when you multiply, it will come 400, 15 into 25, 400 plus 16f will give you 415 plus 15f. When you simplify, you can do by yourself, you can pause the video and try by yourself. So 15f goes this side, it becomes f, and 415 minus 400 gives you 15. So this is your answer. So your correct answer is f is 15. I hope you are following me. Now we go for next. Here, as I suggested you can have standing line. You can find x here, then f, then fx, and then you can tutor in your notebook. Okay. Now I come to question 3, A part. They said find the volume when radius is given, height is given. You know volume formula of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So it is mugging up like rote learning. You have to remember the formula. So volume will be 1 upon 3 into pi. When value is not mentioned, 22 upon 7 you can write. And 3.5 is your radius, so 3.5 2 times, and then height is 12. Now you can do cancellation wherever possible. It is cancelling 3 4s are, and 7 is cancelling 0.5 time. Now when you multiply them, 4 5 are 20, so 2 7 and 22 into 7. This goes easy. What I did, I multiplied 4 and 0.5. But you do calculation, please. Make habit of doing rough work. Make habit of doing rough work in your notebook, so you will not get wrong answer, because it is not MCQ, so you will get the choice when it goes wrong. So the correct answer is 154 centimeter cube, because it is volume. So 154 centimeter cube is your correct answer. Let us move next. Find the coordinate of the image of when it is reflecting in x-axis. So when it is reflecting in x-axis reflection y will change, so it will become 3, minus 1. Now followed by reflection in origin. So when you reflect in origin, both change. I have taught you in part 1 also. So when you are reflecting in origin, your both the points will change, so it will become minus 3 and 1, because the sign of x and y both will change. So the correct answer is minus 3 and 1. So x is minus 3 and y is 1. Let us move quick. Though I have told you can take 20 minutes per question. 20 minutes per question, because you have to attempt only 3 questions from section B. So 3 into 20 gives you 60 minutes. And I told you in section A, you can devote 10 to 15 minutes. If you take 15 minutes, then also in 75 minutes you can finish the question, and you get 15 minutes to revise your answers. Okay, so make habit of doing in the same way. Don't waste much time and don't skip the steps. It goes quickly. And write digit properly. 0 you make proper. Every year I check. Sometimes 6 people make 0 and they are 6 as 0 only. So writing number should be proper. And negative also you make little big. Sometimes negative is not seen by you only, and you make mistake. Here midpoint of the line. So midpoint formula you know. Correct formula: x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is your midpoint formula, where midpoint is given x and 10 minus x. So your x coordinate is x, so you can write x is equal to 3 plus k upon 2. So this is your first. So 3 plus k upon 2, and second is 10 minus x. So 10 minus x will be 6 plus 10 minus x, sorry, 4 plus 6, because the coordinates of y are 4 and 6, as I added 3 and k. So 3 plus k upon 2. Same way we will have 4 plus 6 upon 2, which gives me 10 upon 2, which gives me 5. So here only I can find the value of x. So my x will be 10 minus 5. So x came 5, which is not required answer. Required answer is something else, but I am just highlighting this also because we got the value of x. And now we have to go for value of k, because they are asking find the value of k. You have to read the question carefully. So your k, so this is 2x is 3 plus k. So 2x means 10 minus 3 is k. So which gives you k is 7. So this is your correct answer. K is 7 is your correct answer. You can check your answers. You can pause the video and check your answers. We have done 20 marks today, and yesterday we did only 10 marks objectives. So here 2, 2, 3, 3. So 2 upon 3, 1 upon 2, right hand side it is given. So your correct answer, don't leave like me. So it will come sec A and cosec A. Okay. As I told you, 1 upon cos A into 1 upon sin A. And then here you have to write the reason. Here reason is important. You never know reason is method mark, then you will lose 1 mark. And method mark leads to answer mark also. So if your method is 0, you will not get answer mark. Here you can write in table form. Make habit of writing in this standing line only, though I saved my time. But you write in your simple way and get your answer. Volume, you have to, in mensuration, you have to remember the formula. In coordinate reflection, you have to remember when we reflect in x-axis, I explained in part 1 as well, the same thing. When you reflect in x-axis, y coordinate changes. When you reflect in y-axis, x coordinate changes. And when you reflect in origin, both change. I have made the videos for all the topics. Please go in my playlist and check over there whichever topic you are finding difficult. Thank you very much. No, one part is left out. Sorry, D part of third question. They are asking mode by histogram. So you can take kink because it is starting from 10, or kink is not required. You can leave one block. And then plot 6, 9, 16, 13 and 4. Okay, after making these rectangles, you go for the corners of the highest frequency and connect them. Connecting corner is important. If you don't connect, you may lose mark. So connect these corners and then draw one perpendicular line, because this perpendicular line is very important. Wherever it falls is your mode. So you can write mode answer. So your mode is on x-axis only, the value wherever it falls. So here it is coming 37, but you will get plus minus benefit because it is going till 50. So up to 100 you may get plus minus 2, in 1000 you may get 100 range. So council may decide, they may give you plus minus 1 or plus minus 2, it depends, okay, on the data. So here you may get the benefit of plus minus 1, you may get 36 or 38. So you don't worry, because your pencil should be sharpened and you should not do any adjustment. Now I give you, thank you, your scale, labeling, correct bars, cross lines with perpendicular, and then mode value, you get 3 marks. Earlier this question was coming in 4 marks as well. To be continued, we'll do in C part the remaining sums. Thank you very much. Please share the video with your contacts for a social cause. You never know, your sharing, one sharing may bring a smile on someone's face. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you very much. May God bless you.